Ever wish you could erase those embarrassing or irrelevant search suggestions that pop up on Instagram every time you start typing? Let's get rid of them, one by one, or all at once. First, make sure you're on your Instagram profile page. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, look for the 3 horizontal lines or hamburger menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on this menu to open up a new set of options. From the menu that appears, scroll down until you find Settings or Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. Now scroll down again until you see Account Privacy. Tap on Account Privacy. Scroll down to the bottom. You will see Search History. Tap on Search History. Great! You are now in the Search History menu, where you can see all the recent profiles you've searched for. To delete individual search suggestions, simply tap the X or the cross icon next to each one you want to remove. This will instantly clear it from your search history. Want a clean slate? Look for the Clear All button. It's usually located at the top or bottom of the screen. A pop-up confirmation window will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to clear your entire search history. Confirm your action. And just like that, your Instagram search history is squeaky clean. No more embarrassing suggestions popping up. Now, when you go back to the search bar, you'll notice that your previous search suggestions are gone. Instagram will start suggesting accounts based on your new searches and interests. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.